Hey guys, and Sheldon here. Welcome back. I have another useful and key video for you guys today. And today's topic is, should you have your own website as a real estate agent? And my answer to that question is yes, absolutely. I know some of you guys, some people may worry, hey, it may cost a lot to build a website, but there's ways that you can get your site built for free. One of the sites that I do recommend, no, this is not a paid sponsorship, and I won't put the link below. I might, but Wix.com, Wix.com. If you go on their website, they have templates. If you search real estate industry, they'll show you a list of templates that it's best for the real estate industry. The templates are usually free. You just have to pay a monthly subscription fee. I think like $10 or $17 a month based on the plan. The reason why I know this is because I looked at it closely, and I was helping one of my someone that I consult help them build a website through Wix, and it was pretty self-explanatory. They have templates. All you got to do is fill in with the details and then upload your photos. It's very simple. But the reason why I say yes to you having a website is because you can build an email list, and or you can build an email list which will then generate leads. If you have a listing and you want to put it out there, you just send that listing to your email list, and they'll spread the word, or you may get your apartment or your home or the home that you're working on sold quickly. Another thing is, once you have a website as well as a social media page, you should definitely have that. You build your own following, and you can take that anywhere you go. If you decide to leave the company you're working for and you go to another company or start your own, you would already have your own following. I know most companies have a company website, and they have the agent's profile on their website, which is good. But don't just limit yourself to that. You got to get hands-on. If you feel like Wix is too hard, just go on the website, look at it. There's other websites that you can build your own dedicated website on. I know Wix personally because I've worked on it. There's a few that came up, but I haven't looked into them. If you do your own research and you find something else that's more simple and inexpensive for you to get started, then by all means go ahead. But I definitely think you guys should have your own website, and that's key. And also on your website, what you should do is, once you grow your mailing list, you should have like a blog spot. If you're not good at doing videos, maybe have a blog where you're giving advice to homeowners or people looking for apartments. So that way you build your credibility. They know that the information you're giving is real, and it builds trust. And that way, again, you build your following that way. The same way I'm doing videos and I'm giving information that I know and it's credible, I'm building trust in my audience, and I'm steadily growing my subscription. So that's key. I'm done with that, and I just hope that you guys go ahead and act on it, because you want to grow your business and you want to grow it steadily and efficiently. So having a website is key. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment or reach out below. Shoot me an email directly. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and if you do, hit that notification button. I have a lot more videos coming, and if you have time, go through my previous videos. I have a lot of content from before. The content, they'll stand the test of time. It won't change. The info that's in the videos, and you can apply it to grow your business. Again, my name is Sheldon. I'm a licensed real estate broker out in New York State. I've been doing real estate since 2004, so 14 years in the game. I'm now a licensed real estate broker in New York State, specifically Queens and Brooklyn. Thank you. Bye. Visit me at sheldontherealtor.com. Hey guys, hit that subscribe button. I have a lot more videos coming your way. I want to interact with my audience, and I want to grow my audience by bringing to you useful information that'll help you grow. So guys, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you. My new book, The Realtor's Guide, Updated and Expanded, it's out now. It's a downloadable ebook on Amazon. I'm coming to you directly without going through a middleman. I'm presenting my book to my audience. I've put everything that I've learned from my many years of real estate, showing you step by step on how to make money consistently as soon as you get your real estate license. If you know anyone that's thinking about getting their license or currently in the industry, please pass the book along. Tell them about it. It's a downloadable book right to your tablet or to your phone.
I'm showing you all that I've learned over the many years, and you will definitely learn a lot from the book. I appreciate you guys.